Imagine a world where your pantry holds not just ingredients for your next meal, but also secrets to enhanced health and vitality. Nestled among spices and oils, there lies a humble yet powerful elixir: apple cider vinegar. For centuries, uses. For apple cider vinegar has been celebrated not just as a culinary staple, but as a potent health tonic capable of transforming lives. Touted for its myriad health benefits, from aiding digestion to managing blood sugar levels, the uses for apple cider vinegar has earned its place in the limelight of health discussions and home remedies alike. In this exploration, we delve deep into the heart of uses for apple cider vinegar, unraveling the traditional uses and modern scientific backing behind its health claims. We will travel through time, examine scientific studies, and hear personal stories that highlight the robust versatility and effectiveness of uses for apple cider vinegar. By the end of this journey, you will not only be acquainted with the miraculous properties of uses for apple cider vinegar, but will be inspired to unlock its potential in your daily life. The journey of uses. For apple cider vinegar begins thousands of years ago, used by civilizations as diverse as the Egyptians, Romans, and Greeks. It served as a healing agent, a preservative, and even as a potion for strength and wellness. Historically, Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, prescribed it mixed with honey for its health-giving qualities. These ancestral endorsements hint at the timeless appeal of uses for apple cider vinegar and its enduring value in health maintenance. Today, as we revisit these ancient wisdoms through the lens of modern science, we recognize that our forebears were onto something profound. This foundational understanding sets the stage for exploring the scientific merits behind the health claims of uses for apple cider vinegar. What makes apple cider vinegar particularly fascinating is its bioactive components, including acetic acid, antioxidants, and polyphenols. These compounds are believed to play a pivotal role in uses for apple cider vinegar's health benefits. Research has illuminated how acetic acid can help lower blood sugar levels post-meals. Antioxidants, on the other hand, combat oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Each component works synergistically, contributing to the holistic health effects of apple cider vinegar. This scientific backdrop not only enriches our understanding, but also empowers us to make informed choices about incorporating apple cider vinegar in our health regime. The impact of uses. For apple cider vinegar on digestive health is one of its most celebrated benefits. Anecdotal evidence and some scientific studies suggest that uses for apple cider vinegar can enhance digestion by increasing stomach acid. This might aid those who suffer from conditions such as acid reflux, which often occurs due to an insufficient amount of stomach acid rather than an excess. Enhanced digestion leads to fewer digestive complaints and better nutrient absorption. The role of apple cider vinegar in promoting healthy gut flora also emerges as a critical aspect of its digestive health benefits, potentially supporting a robust immune system and improved overall health. Blood sugar management, a sweet discovery. Perhaps one of the most significant areas of research regarding uses for apple cider vinegar involves its effect on blood sugar levels. Clinical trials have shown that consuming ACV before meals can reduce blood sugar spikes in both healthy adults and those with pre-diabetes or diabetes. This effect is particularly seen when apple cider vinegar is consumed with high carbohydrate meals, making it a valuable tool for managing dietary responses and reducing the burden on the body's insulin-producing cells. Such findings offer a beacon of hope for millions managing blood sugar levels, highlighting uses for apple cider vinegar role in non-pharmacological interventions. Weight management and metabolism, the intrigue of uses. For Apple cider vinegar extends into its potential in aiding weight management. Studies indicate that uses for apple cider vinegar can enhance feelings of fullness, leading to a natural reduction in calorie intake. Moreover, there's emerging evidence suggesting that it might also help boost metabolic rate, thereby increasing fat burning. Together, these properties make apple cider vinegar an appealing adjunct to lifestyle strategies aimed at weight management. Individuals looking to leverage apple cider vinegar for weight loss will find a tool that supports their goals without the necessity for drastic dietary changes. Incorporating uses. For apple cider vinegar into your daily routine can be as simple as using it in vinaigrettes, or as daring as starting your day with a diluted shot of apple cider vinegar. The versatility of uses. For apple cider vinegar allows it to blend seamlessly into your diet, enhancing flavors while delivering health benefits. For those new to uses. For apple cider vinegar, a common approach is to mix 1 to 2 tablespoons with a glass of water and consume it before meals. This method can help acclimatize the palate to its distinct tartness while aiding digestion and metabolic processes. Moreover, creative culinary uses abound, from marinades and sauces to soups and drinks, showcasing apple cider vinegar's ability to adapt to various taste profiles and cooking needs. Uses for apple cider. Vinegar's utility stretches beyond dietary uses. It's also a valuable tool in household cleaning, skincare, and even gardening. Its antibacterial properties make it an excellent natural cleaner, ideal for surfaces in the kitchen and bathroom. In skincare, diluted apple cider vinegar can be used as a toner to help restore skin's natural acidity, which may be disrupted by harsh soaps and cleansers. Gardeners, too, have used apple cider vinegar as a natural pesticide and soil enhancer, underscoring its multi-purpose nature. These diverse applications not only make apple cider vinegar a kitchen staple, but also a holistic lifestyle product, demonstrating its flexibility and wide-ranging benefits. The transformative power of apple cider vinegar becomes most apparent through personal stories and case studies. Take, for instance, Sarah, a 45-year-old teacher who struggled with prediabetes. After incorporating uses for apple cider vinegar into her diet, she noticed a significant improvement in her blood sugar levels. Sarah's experience is echoed by countless others who have turned to apple cider vinegar as part of their health regimen. These testimonials not only provide practical insights, but also inspire others to consider how this simple substance could positively impact their health. Through these real-life accounts, the narrative of uses for apple cider vinegar is enriched, moving beyond theoretical benefits to tangible, life-changing results.